Off North Wales has become the first place in Europe to be made an international dark sky sanctuary. Bardsey Island joins only 16 other sites around the world to meet the strict criteria which requires areas to be exceptionally dark and remote, giving them the world's clearest night skies. Nia Series reports.
As the sun goes down, Enlli's sky comes to life, and the International Dark Sky Association agree that it's something pretty special. This is the first dark sky sanctuary in Europe. There are only 16 others worldwide, and they all have to meet strict criteria. Any outside lights have to point downwards with an orange glow rather than white or blue.
Rhan mawr arall o'r cais oedd monitro yr awyr dywyll. Mi fyddai'n parhau i wneud hynna yn defnyddio yr teclyn bach yma. Mi fyddai'n mynd allan i'r cae pan mae'r ymodau yn iawn ac yn cymryd 4 mesuriad ac yn cadw cofnod ohonyn nhw.
Light pollution is skyrocketing according to scientists. In the last 12 years, the night sky has brightened by 10% each year. Enlli is around 2 miles across from the Llŷn Peninsula here, and that's one reason why it is so dark there. The mountain on the island stops most of the light from the mainland, and the biggest source of light pollution comes from Dublin, which is 70 miles away across the Irish Sea.
There are some dark sky places and parks already, but what's special about this is that it's a sanctuary which is even darker. And I think it would be very beneficial for Wales if we're renowned for our dark skies.
Evidence suggests there were people living on the island, also known as Bardsey, as far back as the 6th century. What they saw at night is probably still quite similar to what we see today. Only a few people live on Enlli now, and visitors are only allowed between March and October. It's hoped that this new status will help protect as well as enhance the island.
We've got a long-term vision and commitment to having a thriving community and economy on Enlli that is respectful and protects the uniqueness of what Enlli has in terms of our natural environment, our economic heritage, our spiritual heritage, and the dark skies really kind of brings